Hello amigos, my name is Jatin and welcome to my channel Techyrators. In today's video, you know about how to mount a created partition to a directory and use it in Kali Linux operating system. And in my previous video, I showed you how to create partition in Kali Linux operating system and how to give file system to any partition. So if you don't know how to create partition in Kali, then watch my previous video. Link available in description and you can click on the I button on the top. So now if you want to know about how to mount a partition, then watch the full video and let's get started. So now open your terminal and first you need to create a partition. So fdisk /dev/sta, enter and enter plus 10 GB. I'm creating a 10 GB partition, enter yes w and part probe and mkfs. Now I'm giving a file system to the partition .ext4/dev/sta6, enter. I'm doing this step faster because I explained these steps as how to create partition and how to give file system to a partition in my previous video. So if you don't know how to create partition and you don't know about file system, then please watch my previous video and after that watch this video, because this video is the continuation of my previous video. Now we try to mount this partition in a directory. So first you need to understand that there's two methods to mount a partition. First is temporary mount and second is permanent mount. In temporary mount, whenever you reboot your system, after restarting you need to mount it again, and in permanent mount you don't need to mount again and again. So first let's create a directory as a mount point, mkdir / tech, enter. So we created a directory /tech, let's see ls/ and here is our directory. So first let's mount it temporary. So mount /dev/sta6, that is our partition name, and space /tech, that is our directory name. So enter. This is simple. So if the partition is mounted to tech directory, if you want to check it, press df-h and enter. You see it is mounted, and you can check by mount command, enter. You see /dev/sta on tech, type ext4 rw, that is read and write. And if you want to change the permission of already mounted partition, you need to run a command, that is mount space -o space remount comma permission that arrow and space /tech, enter. Now if you run mount again, you see rw converts into ro. And if you want to unmount this partition, just you mount /dev/sta6. You mount this way, or you can type mount your mounted point, that is /tech, and your directory is unmounted. So enter, and when we type df-h, nothing. In mount there is nothing. So another thing in temporary mount is, if you want to mount your partition and give permission at same time, you can use a command mount your partition name, that is /dev/sta6 space your directory name /tech, that is your mount point, and -o space your permission ro, enter. And when you check mount, you see ro and df-h. your directory is mounted. But after you reboot your system, you need to mount it again. So for that, now check on permanent mount method. Let's unmount this first. Unmount, umount /tech, enter, df-h. The partition is unmounted. Now clear the screen and run the command vlkid, enter. Open new workspace and go to the file vim, open the file /etc/fstab. fstab store all data related to mount. As you see, this is the partition mounted to slash and file system ext4. This is the syntax of fstab file. So we need to mount it by this way. We can mount it by using uuid and mount it using directory name. But mounting through uuid is better option always. So we need to copy this uuid and paste it here, but we can't simply copy and paste in terminal in Vim editor because Vim editor can't allow it. So we use another method, that is vlkid space your partition name /sta6. When you enter this, you see only one line. It shows only partition uuid. Now we have to redirect it to /etc/fstab file /etc/fstab. One thing you have to notice that you need to use double arrow to redirect your data to the file. If you use single arrow, then your all data in the file will be lost. So I'll cover redirection topic in my upcoming video. So let's enter and open second workspace, quit, open it again. Now you see we have this uuid. Now press I and cut this. We don't need partition name. Actually, you don't need to remind the syntax. Just follow that uuid and now your partition name, your mounting point, and delete this. We don't need this, and space error is equals to remount -arrow 0 and 0, and just you need to see the syntax of above mounted directories and enter your mounting directory. Now escape :wq, enter, and run the command mount -a. Mount -a mount all existing mount point to a directory that is available in fstab, and enter df-h. Now your directory is mounted with the permission rw. So if you reboot your system now, your mounting doesn't affect. So this is the second method, that is permanent mount. Now you can enter in fstab with different ways, like open the file and press I, delete this. Now press /tab/sta6. First unmount this, umount /tab/sta6 df-h, and open this and escape :wq, enter, mount -a df-h. You see, we can mount directory in fstab both ways, by uuid and by the partition name. We always prefer UUID, because if you delete partition above, as you delete SDA5 partition, your 6th partition name changes to SDA5. That's why UUID is always a better option. Now, this is the end of the video. I'll show you two methods to mount your partition. So take a recap. So if you want to mount a temporary, let's mount your partition name and space your mounting point. And you can permanently mount your partition in /etc/fstab file. So this is the end of the video. In my next video, I'll show you if by chance you delete all the data in /etc/fstab file, what happened after that. So do subscribe to my channel Techyrators, and do hit the bell icon to get all updates on my channel. And don't forget to click the like button if you like my video. So bye bye.